hazy in the shop right now, but it's alive. That's good. I can tell I've got some belts that need to get tightened up. I squeak every now and then, but so far so good. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. Still have nice oil pressure. And the temp is about there. That's where it's been for about 8 minutes. It got warm fast and there stopped, which is not bad considering it's in the shop and there's not a hell of a lot of airflow in here, really. Okay, so she ran, maybe 15 minutes. Good solid 10, maybe 15. Anyway, my eyes are burning, even though the door is open. It's a little hazy in the shop. But fired up pretty good. It fired up almost right away. I squirted gas on the carburetor, and I bet it was a second or third piston up, it fired up. So that was a good sign. And let her idle at 2,000 RPM for a couple minutes and backed it down to about 1,800 or so for the rest of the time. Timing is a little bit advanced. I could tell it right away when I started because it wanted to buck right when it first fired. But then when I had to start it a couple times because it took a while to get the gas pumped all the way up there, but it was just that first time or two when it did that. So obviously timing needs to get checked and carburetor needs to get dialed in, idle screws, all that other stuff. But it runs. I need to bleed the brakes some more because now with the actual engine vacuum going through the brakes, I got almost no brakes. So I'll have to work on that, which I knew I was going to have to anyway. I can never seem to get brakes completely bled the first time when I put a whole new system in. It just seems to be the way it is. I'd be curious to know how they do it at the factory. I'm guessing they always had some sort of pressurized thing they put right in the master cylinder and force it through that way. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here because it's super hot in the shop right now with this thing puking out a lot of heat, and it's still a little hazy in here and my eyes burn. So later.